अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी व यस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़्दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Here also Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is reminding the children of Israel the favors which he bestowed upon him. There are so many favors which he has bestowed upon the children of Israel. Who are the children of Israel? They are the sons of Yaqub alayhi salam and their descendants. Okay. Wa is istasqa? Let's start the verse. Wa means and, is means when, and when. See the way how Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is reminding them the favor. And when I did this for you, and when I did this for you. So the verse is starting from wa and is. Okay. And when istasqa, asked for water. Okay, you would have heard the name namaz-e-istisqa. Namaz-e-istisqa means praying for water. Okay, what is istisqa? So this is the same for verse here. Seen and ta. I told you in Quran Majid, sometime when seen and ta, this word comes with any word, then it gives the meaning of ista. This word gives the meaning of seeking something. Okay. And seen qaf ya is the root word, means water. And when asked, this word is giving the meaning of asking, and this is water. And when asked for water, Musa alayhi salam, who asked? Musa alayhi salam. Musa alayhi salam asked for water. Li qawmihi, why he asked for water? Li qawmihi. Li qawmihi is addition of li plus qawm plus he. Okay, li means for or to, qawm means people or community, people and community. He means his. This is attached pronoun, his, for his people. Let's do the series of attached pronoun today. The series will start from third person male part, who, huma will be dual, who means his, huma means they are two, and whom will be its plural, means they are all. Okay, then feminine part will be ha. Ha means her. Huma will be same here. Huma will be same. Hunna. Hunna means they are all, but this is for female. Hu, huma, hum, ha, huma, hunna. Second person will be ka. Ka means your. Kuma means your too, and kum means your all. Okay, and then feminine part will be ka and ze. Ki means your, but this your is for feminine. Kuma will be same again. Kuma will be same, and here it will be ka. Kunna. Kunna means your all, and first person will be na, ni, and ya. Ni and ya gives the meaning of my or mine. Na means our or us. Okay. So where were we? We were here. Li qawmihi, li plus qawm plus he, for his people. And when Musa alayhi salam asked for water for his people, faqulna. So what we said, fa means then, qulna means we said. This is past tense. This series we had done last time. Then we said, idrib, you one strike. This is order given to Musa alayhi salam. You one strike. Duad ra ba is the root word here, means to hit or to strike something, someone or something. Okay, duad ra and ba is the root word here, means to hit or to strike. Strike bi asaka. B means with, asa means staff, ka means your. This is again, see this is attached pronoun ka. This just now only we did this series. Ka kuma kum. With your staff. Okay. Al hijr, to the hajar means stone, to the stone. Fan fajarat. Then what happened when Musa alayhi salam struck with his staff on the stone? Fan fajarat. Fa means then gushed forth. For jeep and ra is the root word here, means gushed forth. Okay. For jeem and ra is the root word here, means gushed forth. To gush forth. Then gushed forth minhu. From it, this who goes to the hajar, from that stone. Isnata means 2, Ashra means 10. 2 plus 10, how much? 12. 12, Aina means springs. Okay. Then gushed forth from it 12, 2 plus 10, 12 springs. Qad, certainly. Why 12 strings? Because there was 12 sons and accordingly there were 12 tribes or 12 community. Certainly, you know. Certainly, Alima knew. Kullu means each or every. Unas, people, each or every tribe, every people. Mashrabahum, they are hum and mashrab. Mashrab means drinking place, hum means they are drinking place. Okay, see, sheen, ra, ba is the root word here, means to drink. Okay, when meme is attached here, it becomes place, drinking place. Same way like seen, Jim and dal, sajada. The word is sajda, means to prostrate. And when meme comes in the starting, masjid, the word becomes masjid, means the place of prostration, where we do sajda. So this means most of the time makes the place, okay, gives the meaning of place of that particular thing. Whatever is the root word here, you will get to know that what is the meaning of that root word. And accordingly, if meme is there in the starting or in the prefix, then it gives the meaning of place of that particular thing. Same way here also, mashraba, sheen raba is the meaning to drink. Okay, and mashrab, meme, sheen and rab. Sheen raba means to drink, meme is attached here, means drinking place. Okay, drinking place. Certainly knew every people means each tribe, they got to know that what is their drinking place. Okay, kulu, eat. Kulu means you all people eat. Washrabu, wa means and, ishrabu means you all drink. Again, see the root word is same, sheen raba, you all drink. Eat and drink min rizqillah, from the rizq or provision of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This is from the provision of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Wala, and not. Ta'asaw, you act wickedly, and to not you act wickedly. Fil earth, in the earth. Mufsideen, as corruptors. Okay, first seen and dal is the root word here. Mufsid means the one who spreads corruption. Mufsideen means, ya noon is making it plural, means those all people who spread corruption on the earth. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave you these rewards. Okay, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is reminding them this event when Musa alayhi salam asked to water for his people, for his community. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala told him that you go at one place, there were some stones. He told him that you go and strike those stones and strike the stone, and from that stone the water gushed forth, and there were 12 springs. Okay, from that stone. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave 12 springs? Because there were 12 tribes, and so that they should not fight among themselves, okay, for the water. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave them each tribe their separate springs. Here Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking about the drinking. Okay, but again he is saying that eat and drink. Why does eat and drink? Because he already gave him manna and salwa. Okay, so now you have to eat manna and salwa, washrabu, and drink. Everything is ready for you, the provision is ready for you. Manna and salwa, you don't have to earn your provision is there for you, readily available. So you have to eat and drink min rizqillah. This is from the provision of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Walam, and not you act wickedly in the earth, spreading corruption. Okay, so see, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knew their nature. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he is saying that you have to eat and drink and live calm, and you have to be grateful. You should not do this. Okay, you should not be acting wickedly on the earth, spreading corruption. Okay, so this was the verse. of verse number 60 of Surah Baqarah. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alamin.